Okay, well I got my Ring video doorbell installed. I had to use the provided wedge to angle it toward my front door. Otherwise I wasn't able to actually see a very good view of who was ringing my doorbell. But I got it installed. Took a few minutes. Also purchased the Ring video doorbell chime to plug into in my family room, because in the family room I can't really hear the doorbell ring. When there's motion in my front yard or on my front porch, I have it set to give me the dogs barking, and that alerts me to motion within the range that I've set it for. And on my PC, I have Windows 10, and I have it set up for alerts on my PC, so I get the motion alerts and the ring alerts as well. And all I have to do is click on the notification, and it will give me a view of what's going on. I had to pull the sensitivity of the motion alerts back a little bit, because every time someone drove down the street, I was getting the alerts of movement out in front of my house. And it's nice to know when the mailman has come, but I don't really care when the neighbors are just driving down the street. And here's what it looks like in the evening as you see a neighbor driving down the street. It activated, and it has the infrared so that I can see what's going on in the dark. So that was the motion alerts. Now when someone rings the doorbell, I have it set for a different chime, and it works essentially the same way. It'll give me the alerts, and I can see who's at the front door and what's going on. So that's the Ring Video Doorbell 2. So far I'm satisfied with how it's working.